Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make Siri voice on TikTok application. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the TikTok, and after that go into this plus button to create the content. You can record it by yourself now here directly, or you can also uploading a video from your gallery. Okay, for me I want to choose one video.
Okay.
And after that just click next.
Okay.
And now we can take a look on this feature like in the right side here. Please click or go into this alphabet and you can type what you want to say or any information that you want to put into this video. Okay. For me, I want to add a text one day as barista. And after you finish, you can directly click this people who's speaking symbol here, or you can click done. And after that you can click this and there will be an option to do a text to speech. Just click it, and after that you can choose by what voice that you want to use, but I think Shinta here is quite similar with Siri, so let's have it and click done. Okay, and after you finish, let's take a look. Okay, now you already have a Siri voice on your video. That's all the way how to make Siri voice on TikTok application. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.